嘿，大家好，我们看一下第四课 HSK 3的第四课。这一课的题目 topic 是他总是笑着跟客人说话。The grammar point is still j. That's good. We have two lessons focusing on j means ing, the verb ing, the status verb, especially but the difference between this one and the last lesson is that this j is more focusing on two actions together. Means one action is going and the other action is going on at the same time, right? For example, 笑着跟客人说话，跟客人说话 speak, talk with the customers. In what way? Smiling, right? While smiling. So 这 can be translated into while doing something. 总是 means always. That's easy to understand. So adverb, time adverb. So placed before the whole action. Now, 我们看一下 text one，在教室 in the classroom，小明说：“这是你们比赛的照片吗？” Sorry，这是你们比赛的照片吗？照片 is a photo. What kind of photo? 比赛 competitions 照片。你们 your competitions 照片 ，right？哎，马可说 马可是，这是我们比赛后照的。This 照 on its own means to take a photo. So the full expression of take a photo is 照片photo 照 take a photo 照片 So 照 is a verb 照的照片照片 is sort of omitted in here, right? So the photo we took the photo we after the match we took the photo we took the photo after the match. This is, right? This is the photo that we took after the match. And 小明说照的不错的 struction 照 taken is very well taken. 你们都是一个年级的吗？一个年级grade or year 年级的 alright so yeah. Again something omitted here should be omitted here 同学 should be right classmates or yeah so are you all classmates from 一个 the same 年级 so 一个 doesn't just mean one it means the same at the same time 你们是一个国家的吗 are you from the same country 马可说不是那个又高又漂亮的女孩是二年级的 Alright, so 女孩是二年级的同学。二年 the second year. What kind of 女孩？又高又漂亮。Two adjectives here. 高 and 漂亮 are linked with 又 means to form a paralleled situation. Right, then that one. 那个又高又漂亮的女孩。Alright, and 小明说旁边那个拿着书笑的人是谁 The bone of the sentence is 人是谁 Person is who What kind of person? 笑的人 The smiling person The person who smiles More, there's more The person not only smiles but also holding a book 拿着书 while smiling while holding a book And that one That person who smiles while holding a book 旁边 on the side or beside, right? Then the person who is the person that person who's smiling, holding a book on the side or beside is who 是谁？那是我 That is me. Now 第二个 conversation 是 in the classroom 在教室 again. 小丽 and 同学就 just the classmates having a conversation. 小丽说 你觉得小红怎么样？ See, all the names in this lesson are pretty outdated. I mean, not a lot of people are called 小红 nowadays. I'm thinking about 20 years ago, somebody called Little Red Riding Hood. Maybe that's what he is. No, she is. She has to be she. Not a lot of men called Little Red. 小红怎么样？她又聪明又热情。有热情，热情 enthusiastic, right? Passionate, right? Like really happy all the time. You must have somebody around you who looks like, always happy, right? Who is always willing to help. Good people, very nice people. And 聪明 smart 也很努力 also very very hard working 努力 right? And 小丽说我看她 I see her. So I have been observing. That's what this can means. 她总是笑着回答老师的问题。回答 to answer. Answer 什么 Answer 老师的问题 The teacher's questions. While smiling 笑着Okay, while 总是 always. 同学说他对每个人都笑。每 and 都 we learned that structure means every one of them are all blah blah blah. And then this one is to everybody all smile, right? 他笑 she smiles 因我 to who 对每个人都笑，也常常对我笑 also often 常常 to me smile at me to me。按小丽说：“你是不是喜欢他？是 be not be to be or not to be, right? Yes or no question. Do you like her or not?" And the 同学 is being very sly in here. It says, well, there's no yes or no here. And instead, 同学 choose the third way to answer. Oh, there's too many people who likes her. So I like her, but I don't think she likes me. I think that's what the 同学 is trying to imply. Again, trying to feel the meanings between lines in Chinese conversations. 喜欢他的人 what kind of 人？喜欢他的 the people who like her 太多了 too many. 你看 take a look at 什么呀？那些 those 拿着鲜花站在门口的 again 的后面人 OK 的人 is omitted 人 is here what kind of 人站在门口的 the people who are standing at the door holding fresh flowers or 鲜花 just flowers those Okay, those people who are standing at the door holding flowers 都是 they're all 等他的 wait hers 人 right? So the 人 who wait for her. Okay, so that's a bit of elaborate, a lot of people holding flowers at the door. It's like, because she's so popular, I don't know if that actually happened. But anyway, 小刚 and 小丽 now they are very, very close, I think, and they're talking about how to spend a evening or dinner. Excuse me, dinner. Right, and 小刚 says, 我有点儿饿了，饿 is to be hungry. 我饿了，我为一点儿有点儿have a bit hungry, a little bit. 我们进超市，进 is to enter. 买点儿东西吧 enter the supermarket to buy a bit something objects 吧 things 买点儿有点儿买点儿小丽说好啊这家超市的蛋糕又便宜又好吃什么蛋糕蛋 egg 糕 cake egg cake is cake this 超市 supermarket, right? 蛋糕 again 又便宜又好吃 two adjectives linked by you. Also cheap, also delicious. 一块只要2元9角9分 2元9毛9 right? 只要 only want. No, I mean, cake cannot want things, so a cake needs. That's what y'all means in here. A cake needs to be paid by 2.99 yuan to be bought. 1块 piece. 小刚说：“我们买2块。” Let's buy two. 回家吃着蛋糕看电视。哎，回家看电 to watch TV while 吃着eating the 蛋糕 cake 怎么样？好吧，that 小丽说好啊，我在 again or more of this action of 买再去买一些喝的，喝的 is the drinks as well. The more casual than 饮料 that we learned in our last lesson. 饮料 is also the drinks or 喝的。And then 小刚 says 喝着咖啡吃蛋糕，吃蛋糕 in while drinking coffee 太好了。So basically 小丽 and 小刚 understood we don't really know that they like coffee. Okay, so when Xiaoli said, let's buy some drinks, Xiaogang knows that it's going to be coffee that Xiaoli is going to buy. We don't know. Right, so that's why the coffee is here. All right, not very clear, the text actually. The next one, let's move to in a restaurant. And Jing Li says, Jing Li is the manager. 他说您好 very polite. 您找谁 You look for who? 客人 the customer 说你们这儿是不是 be or not be? So yes or no question. 有 there is there or is there not? 一个又年轻又漂亮的服务员服务员 the waiter or waitress. What kind? Also young, also beautiful. So it should be if you use beautiful should be girl, right? So waitress. 经理说我们这儿 we here we at here 年轻漂亮的服务员有很多 or there are many. What kind of people? 服务员 What kind of 服务员年轻漂亮的 Right here we use this very special punctuation which you cannot find in English. That is something to link two equal things. It could be adjectives or could be verbs actually, could be nouns as well. If they are completely equal, you can use that thing to separate them. Right? For example, 我喜欢苹果 that thing 西瓜和 I don't know 和米饭 right? So I like those things. And 客人 says 他工作又认真又热情。那she is very 认真。认真 is another word that's not very easy to translate. We have serious or earnest. I would use the word more diligent, especially in terms of describing when it's describing work. It's very diligent worker, or he works her work, or hers working. What the? Her working is very serious, very diligent, or very passionate. She works with a passion. Now, the 经理 says, 你能再说说吗? Can you speak a bit more? Okay, again. 他总是笑着跟客人说话. The title of the lesson, he speaks to customers while smiling. 我知道了. I know, I knew now, I know. 你说的是 you speak of the person 是李小美吧? I guess it's Li Xiaomei, which is another very, very outdated name, right? Nobody calls them Li Xiaomei anymore. Mei is beauty, so it's the equivalence of somebody calling her pretty in English, I guess. Hello, my name is Pretty. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's a great name in English. But Li Xiaomei sounds a bit, full of herself. Anyway, so that's all for lesson 4. I'll see you next lesson. Bye bye.